Hey, man, hey, let's fly around today, man. Let's start with us, man. DB's on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Let's score every time we touch the ball. Every time we touch the ball, let's do it. Hey, playmakers on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Enough is enough. It starts with us. We set the tempo. We set the tempo. We run to the ball. We it in. Our brand of football, 60 minutes. Yeah. Dominate them up front on both sides of the rock. Making plays in the back end. Hey, whatever the it takes, get this win now. Let's go.
Let's go.
Win on 3, 1, 2, 3. Win.
Knock the shit out of him now.
They give it to Barkley. He is stood up by Snacks Harrison that time. That is what Snacks can do right in the middle of that defensive line. Looking left, pressure comes, Jones in trouble, and he throws it away. It's incomplete. That might have been behind him. It is picked up by the Lions, Devon Kennard, and he's in for the touchdown, Detroit Lions. No whistle, so they're saying it came out behind him as a backwards pass. It's collected by Kennard, who took it back to the house. Stafford looks, throws deep left side. Got Hall wide open down there. It's Hall into the end zone. Touchdown, Detroit Lions. Oh, baby, how's that for 3rd and 15? 49 yards, Stafford to Hall, and the Lions have a chance to double up their lead. Barkley again. They got him hemmed in this time. Deshaun Hand got him. Great to see number 93 flying around out there. Stafford takes the snap, looks left, throws out there, end zone. It is caught. Oh, baby, what a catch! That is big-time stuff from Kenny Galladay, who got both feet down for the score. Stafford said, I trust you one night, and he threw it up there, and it paid off as Galladay made the grab, got both feet down, and the Lions are able to extend their lead.
All day.
I'm with it, snatch.
Big boy though. What a big boy right there.
Hey, big catch.
Too easy.
Big man catch.
Too easy.
You know what it is? It's a man's game. It's a man's game.
Got it, toss sweep right side to McKissick. He throws it back to Stafford. Stafford's gonna throw it deep down the field. He's there! Touchdown, Detroit Lions! Oh, baby, a little bit of magic! That is Kenny Galladay on the receiving end for the touchdown. They gave it to McKissick, who made his way around the right side. Threw it backwards to Stafford. Stafford set, threw it deep downfield to Galladay. How about that?
The trickeration is out. I know Halloween is coming up soon, but the trickeration is out today.
All right, baby. And he can pass. And he can pass. And he can pass.
All right, Booby.
Good shot. Huh? Good shot. No, I had no laces again. Just like a breaker. I had no laces.
This crowd up and making noise now. trying to get this defense to make a play and get off the field. Jones has got it, fakes the give, wants to throw, hit from behind, ball loose on the ground. Jones falls on top of it, back to pass, delayed blitz comes. Jones in trouble, going down again. Jones takes the snap, back to pass, blitz comes. Jones sets throws, it is knocked away and incomplete. Almost picked off by Justin Coleman, throws to the end zone. It is incomplete, and a flag comes in late.
There is no foul for defensive pass.
Thank you.
Detroit's ball, first down.
That is your ball game. Over. Lions are going to come out, go into victory formation, and they're going to walk out of here snapping that 3-game losing streak. Had to fight right down to the final minute. 31-26, the final score.
I was looking for you. I couldn't find you.
What's up, man?
Put the work in all week. All right, we put the work in all week. We got the confidence to go out, all right, and put it in when we have to at the end of the game. That's what we got to do every single week, man. We fill it up and we empty it out. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. All right, but we're all right together. We make the plays we need to make. We keep playing situational football. We won a halftime swing. We win it 10-0. We win the game by 5. That's how it works, man. We keep battling. We keep playing complimentary football. That's what it's all about. All right? Great job. Great effort. Appreciate everybody in this room. Thankful for everybody here. Thankful for your work. All right, everybody just keep pushing forward. I will see you on Wednesday. All right, hey. Let's go.
Hey man, hell of a win today, man. That's the way to keep fighting, man. We just got to continue to build on this week, man, and continue to improve. Hey, we got lines on 3. 1, 2, 3. Lions!